Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your gold name in Clash Royale for 2025. This guide details the exact steps you need to follow within the game. A gold name often signifies great achievement, but if you're looking for a change, the process is straightforward. We'll cover the current policies and walk through the settings together so you can easily revert your name. Clash Royale has clear rules for name changes that apply to everyone. Remember, you get one free name change after starting the game. After that, each change costs gems, with the price increasing every time you do it. The first paid change usually costs 500 gems, so plan carefully. Also, be aware of the waiting period between changes, usually about 1 week, before you can change it again. In 2025, the gold name remains a special cosmetic effect, directly linked to achieving the Ultimate Champion League. It's a visual badge of honor for high-ranking players. If you wish to remove the gold effect, the only way is to initiate a standard name change through the game's settings. The new name you choose will display without the gold styling, regardless of your current league standing. Here's how to actually remove your gold name. First, open Clash Royale and head to the Settings menu, typically accessed through the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. From there, find and tap Change Name. The game will ask you to type your new desired name twice for confirmation. Finally, you'll confirm the gem cost, and your name will update immediately without the gold color, reflecting your choice. Before finalizing your change, please think carefully about your new name. Subsequent changes will only get more expensive, potentially reaching 1,000 gems or more for later alterations. Always double-check your gem balance to ensure you can afford the cost before proceeding. If you experience any problems or believe there's an error during the process, contact Supercell support directly through the in-game help section.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.